Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amui-Dorcas. If it's your first time stepping by, hello boo, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe, like and share my videos. In today's video, we will be making the perfect jollof rice recipe. Yes guys, this jollof rice tastes so good. Plus tips and tricks in making the perfect jollof rice. Let's begin by preparing our chicken. So in a pot on medium to high heat, add in your chicken, blended ingredients. Next, add in some cube, some thyme, some salt, and finally add in some water. Give it a quick stir. Cover and cook for about 15 minutes or until chicken is very soft. Check up on your meat and see if it's ready. I needed some more time, so I cooked this some more time. Next, take it off the heat and set aside. Save the stock for the rice. Yes, save the stock for the rice because we are going to use the stock in preparing our jollof rice to give it that nice taste. Place a pan on medium heat. Add some cooking oil and fry the chicken in heated oil. Flip over and fry until golden brown. You want to fry your chicken very well until it's golden brown. Yes guys, while we're waiting for our chicken to be golden brown, have you subscribed to my channel? Kindly subscribe, like and share, and I promise to be giving you guys nothing but the best. Thank you. Golden brown. Now we take it off the heat and set aside. So these are the ingredients we'll be using for our rice. I'll put a full list in the description box, so be sure to check it out, okay? We went ahead and blended some tomato mix, added it to a pot on medium heat, and then we are going to boil this until it's totally boiled down. Yes, we are not using any paste for this recipe. We are going to be using this tomato blend. You want to boil this, and guys, please do not stir. Yes, because it's going to cause splash, so you don't want to stir this. You want to boil this down until it is well boiled. Yes, just like this. Yes guys, next we place our pot on medium heat. Some oil, some chopped onions, and then fried it to be golden brown. We added it our blended tomatoes and then give it a quick stir. You now cover the pot and allow this to fry. Guys, you want to fry this tomato very well. I can't overemphasize on this. If you want that perfect jollof rice, you need to fry this well until oil comes on the surface. Yes, you need to really fry this well. We now added in some rosemary, some cube, and then our chicken stock. Give it a quick stir. Yes, as you can see, that's the oil right there, but I still went ahead to cover it and just fry it for some extra. You know, we always want the extra. Let's check. Yes, now give it a quick stir, some more stir. Our rice goes in next. You want to stir this together. So everything combines. Add in some water. I lost this clip, I'm sorry, but I need to add in some water, and then you cover your pot. Yes, you can cover it with a foil paper or a baking paper, whatever you have available, and allow to cook. And guys, set the heat to the lowest. You need to set the heat to the lowest. If you want that perfect jollof, you don't want your jollof rice to burn. After about 30 minutes, I checked on the jollof rice. It looks very beautiful. Yeah. And I needed some water because it was a little hard. So I went ahead and then I added in some more water. I gave it a quick stir. I tested for salt, it was okay. So I covered and then I cooked for additional 15 minutes. And voila! Our jollof rice is ready and tasted just right. Time to serve and enjoy. This is our perfect jollof rice with fried chicken. The mommies love it, the daddies love it. Please, when making it, make it in large batch because everyone will be asking for more. Trust me. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Love you. Bye.